I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you know if YouTube automation is a good fit for your personality and schedule? Here's the simplest answer. Treat it like a fit test, not a hype test. I use a 3-part check: time, temperament, and runway. First, time. Can you give this 5 to 7 focused hours a week for the next 90 days? Not random free time, real weekly time. Automation is still a management game. You're choosing topics, reviewing scripts, approving edits, and watching what actually performs. Second, temperament. Are you comfortable doing operator work? That means giving feedback, making decisions quickly, repeating a format, and not getting emotionally attached to every video. If you hate managing people or you need constant novelty, this can feel way more draining than it looks online. Third, runway. Can you handle a learning phase without expecting instant results? In the beginning, you're really buying feedback and building a system. If you expect passive income immediately, this is the wrong model. My rule: if you're a yes on at least 2 out of 3, test it with 1 channel and 1 repeatable format. If the workflow itself is what's slowing you down, that's where Cyder helps organize research, scripting, and production handoffs. So, is YouTube automation right for you? Yes, if you like systems, can stay consistent, and can treat it like operations, not magic.